In this video, I'm going to give you a guided tour of a bush house, which is like a hotel in the country with the comforts of home. It has a hammock outside. Inside has a kitchen area, a dining table next to it, a fireplace in what would be a living room, and a bed with a net to keep out the insects. After a quick look around, I stopped by the bathroom, which was a short walk away. There's a toilet with a bin beside it, a sink, and a shower. There are separate taps for hot and cold water. Getting back to the cabin. The kitchen has a sink, a bowl of fruit, some cutlery, crockery, and a chopping board. Above the sink is a hand towel and dishcloth. Keen for a drink, I turned on the gas stove and boiled water in the teapot. I could tell it was hot by the steam coming out of the spout. There was a board game set on the dinner table and 2 lit candles. I opened a bottle of wine and poured 2 glasses, while checking out the board game set. The living area has 2 armchairs by the fireplace. One of them has a blanket on it. It looks cozy. Towels were also left for us on the bed. The fireplace has a mesh bin beside it made of metal, and it has more firewood. It also has a chimney, so the smoke goes outside. The open side also has some rolled up fabric walls that will drop when it starts to get cold. The fire pit outside has 2 fold-up chairs we can sit on, or wooden benches. I moved the wine out by the fire pit after my friend messaged saying she was about to arrive. Someone else gave her a lift out, and she brought a book and wanted to finish the chapter before putting it down. I'm about to get dinner ready. Our plan is to enjoy each other's company by the fire pit and watch some stars and toast some marshmallows before heading inside when it gets too cold. Staying at the cabin was her idea, and I'm sure we'll get to spend some time relaxing away from the city.